Okay, boys and girls, here's the long-awaited art time. Today, we're going to be making a butterfly. This butterfly is perfectly symmetrical. Symmetrical means that everything on one side is the same on the other side. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our construction paper and we're going to fold it in half. So go ahead and do that now. Fold your paper in half. Ready? Okay, now, so after you fold your paper like this, you're going to look for the crease, for the part where the fold is. And then you're going to draw two big circles like this. 1, 2. We're almost like ovals. Make sure that the inside part is touching the fold. Okay? Now you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut on the line. Just like this. Yes. Just one second. All right, now when you open it, it should look like this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you guys, now you're going to paint, but only on one side of the butterfly. Not on both sides, just one side only. Okay? And put as much paint as you want.
Mrs. Pinkley,
Yes.
Can we use blue?
You can use blue if you'd like. You can use any color you'd like. Go ahead and do that now.
Yellow. Okay, we'll do a circle.
Use circles. Put a lot of paint. You want it to look really pretty. Ready? Here's what you're going to do. Watch me. Now you're going to fold your butterfly down and you're going to press all that paint down. Go ahead and do that now. Press it down. Do it now. Fold your butterfly in half. Good job. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Those are so beautiful. Taylor, that's gorgeous. I love it.
Mrs. Pinkley.
That's a perfectly symmetrical butterfly.
Mrs. Pinkley, look.
Oh, gorgeous.
See you next time, boys and girls.
That's spectacular.
Hope you had a fun day. We learned about so many things, and we had so much time to play. Though the day is over, don't worry at all. Tomorrow is a new day, and we're gonna have a ball. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Bye, boys and girls. See you tomorrow. And I'll see you boys and girls at home tomorrow as well.